Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted. A lot of the clips have been from January. I haven't really been vlogging much, but this is all that I have for you guys. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and more vlogs will be coming soon.
Corner bakery. We got chicken noodle soup, iced tea, salad, and a chicken panini. I wanted some soup because I'm like feeling like I'm getting sick again. Thank you to my mans. He bought me some soup because I said I want a chicken noodle soup. Oh, by the way, guys, Happy New Year. It's January 2nd. Oh yeah, shake it like the Kardashian salad.
It's only one way to make a salad. The Kardashian way.
That's my favorite. This is my favorite from Corner Bakery. Can't wait. Let's
bite.
Take a bite. Camera eats first. Oh yes.
Oh my God, this is gonna make your whole day right here. Feel that?
Ooh, it's cold. Mmm, that's hot. Ooh, that soup looks good. Look at that. What we're doing right now, clean up this room. Our couch gets so messy all the time. It's basically like a coat rack slash, I don't even know. But this year, we're trying to change that. We need to make our space clean. We have this tapestry here to make it feel a little bit better because this room was like just all gray. Ever since I've been here, we've just been slowly like adding things and making it a little bit better. I cleaned up the room a bit, made the bed. Guys, I have like 30 minutes to get ready for work. I'm also filming a TikTok, so my phone's like right below. Guys, I finally am trying the Huda Beauty, okay? I actually have been using it already. She's controversial right now, but damn, these powders are fire. So I got the Easy Bake Cherry Blossom Cake and Peach Pie Easy Bake Duo. This is the magic that I'm so excited for. I used the pink one. I think it's the Cherry Blossom. Look at that. Oh my god, I could see it on camera. Wow. I'm gonna put some bronzer on real quick. This is like years old. Maybe not years old, like a year old because I ran out last year. I'm not the type of person, because I'm just a regular girl, I just stick to the same makeup products I've used. The only new products I've bought that's changed my makeup routine has been like powders, the pressed powders, loose powder, setting powder, whatever you call it. Lipsticks, lip liners I've been really into. I don't really wear lipstick, but I do wear like lip liner and lip oil. That's kind of the newest thing I've done. Oh, she's looking better. She's looking put together. Honestly, you guys, I don't think I can ever switch mascaras. I found the one. I've tried like so many different products from Sephora as an Asian girl with short lashes. The only thing that works for me is this Korean brand, and I found it in Korea, which was life-changing. And then I found it here in the US, which was even more life-changing. That's the only mascara that works. So if you have short lashes like me, short straight lashes, the only thing that works is Kill Lash mascara. This is Clio Kill Lash. Look how thin that is. Look how thin that wand is. It's meant for Asian eyes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just got cut off there.
Hi bananas. Hi monkeys.
Hi, monkeys, because you're a monkey.
No, for you.
No, because you. Oh, Titi baby.
He doesn't look like in the movie.
She looks so good.
She already did Super Bowl.
We just watched the Super Bowl. What do you think?
It's not finished.
I know, but we watched Bad Bunny. That was the whole point. Yeah?
You're eating dinner here, right?
Yeah?
Boy, what time is it?
It's like 6. What you been up to?
Nothing.
This is my little brother. He's not so little anymore. Give an advice to people your age.
Buy a rice cooker.
Right, that's so true. Your age,
Learn
not
how
mine.
to cook rice.
I know how to cook rice. We just don't have
That's-
a rice cooker. When you become famous, what's your line?
Hi monkeys. No, that's racist.
What the heck?
Chat.
What up, chat? What up, chat?
Ooh,
W's in the chat. I've never used it.
That's from Daddy's work.
I've never used the Vision Pro.
You can turn it on.
Did I try it for the first time? But I have makeup on. I don't want it to get dirty.
Oh yes, it's tied into mine.
This is my outfit for today. Simple.